we bring you the exclusive details about the new Parliament building. This magnificent 4-story structure, estimated to cost around 970 crore rupees, will replace the existing colonial-style Parliament building, which marks its centenary in 2021. The new building is an integral part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision, symbolizing a people's parliament that caters to the needs and aspirations of New India as we approached the 75th anniversary of our independence in 2022. The new building will celebrate India's cultural diversity, incorporating regional arts and crafts. Artisans and sculptors from across the country have contributed to its construction, making it a true symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's take a closer look at the details. Spanning an area of 64,500 square meters, the building will have dedicated blocks for reception, information services, and public waiting areas. Special provisions will ensure accessibility for differently abled individuals. The new structure will accommodate 888 members of Parliament in Lok Sabha and 384 in Rajya Sabha, compared to the current capacity of 543 and 245 respectively. This expansion is in preparation for the upcoming delimitation exercise scheduled for 2026. Notably, the new building will not include the iconic Central Hall present in the existing structure. Approximately 2,000 individuals will be directly involved, with an additional 9,000 indirectly contributing to the construction of this monumental project. The new building features a grand constitutional hall, a lounge for MPs, a library, multiple committee rooms, dining areas, and ample parking space. The esteemed construction company Tata Projects Limited won the bid to undertake this prestigious project at a cost of over 861 crore rupees. Situated near the existing Parliament House, the new building forms part of the Central Vista redevelopment project. However, the current Parliament House will also undergo suitable modifications to provide enhanced functional spaces for parliamentary events, ensuring its continued utilization alongside the new structure. Designed by renowned architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker, the existing Parliament House is a legacy of the British era. Its foundation stone was laid on February 12, 1921.